guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you an amazing treatment that you can use on your hair for extreme hair growth. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. So first I'm going to start off by peeling my onions. Onions is known to treat hair loss, dandruff, thinning hair, dry or brittle hair, scalp infection, alopecia, and itchy scalp. So what I'm going to be doing is peeling my onions. After peeling my onions, I'm just going to go ahead and rinse it out. I prefer using the red onions because it has more juice inside. Feel free to use the white onions as well if you want to. To be honest with you, onions doesn't have a great smell, but you can use other oils to kind of eliminate the smell. I'll go ahead and take my blender and just chop the onions into it, and I'll blend it out. I'm also going to be adding some coconut milk to blend my mixture. Coconut milk is high in protein, has a lot of vitamins such as C, E, B, etc. Helps against hair loss, restore dry hair and scalp, and get rid of dandruff. So what I'm going to be doing is adding 1 cup of coconut oil in my blender. Then I'll go ahead and blend it all together. To sieve, I'm going to be using a wig cap. You can use a cheesecloth or a strainer if you want to. The reason why I do this is because I don't want to have any flakes in my hair that I'm going to be dealing with for days, and this can cause breakage if you have a lot of flakes in your hair. So what I'm going to be doing is just draining out the juice out of the onions mixture, or I can call it onions blend. So that's just basically what I am doing, sieving my juice out there. So guys, this is the flakes I was telling you about that is going to remain in your hair for days if you don't sieve it out. So I'm going to go ahead with my spray bottle, add my onion juice in the spray bottle. Then I'll go ahead with my oil mix. This oil is just olive oil and some avocado oil. I'll just add only 1 tablespoon to my mixture. Then after adding 1 tablespoon to my mixture, I like using my essential oils, so I'm going to go ahead with few drops of eucalyptus oil and also few drops of tea tree oil as well. Now I am all done. I'm just going to shake it up and my mixture is ready to use. So guys, I'm going ahead by sectioning my hair into different parts because you definitely want to work in sections when you are handling your natural hair. What I'm going to be doing is spraying the mixture directly to my scalp and giving myself a great scalp massage. If you know, coconut milk helps also in softening the hair and conditions the hair. It helps also with stimulating the blood circulation so that your hair growth can improve. So I'm going ahead in all the parts of my hair. That is how you normally have to apply mixture in your hair. You have to go on in every section. So I'm just going to give myself a good scalp massage in all the sections of my hair, making sure I don't skip any part out. After doing that, I'm just going to lightly finger detangle and twist up my hair. I repeat the same procedure on all my hair, and that's just it. I'm going to speed up the process so that you don't have to watch this part too long. Then I'll go ahead and cover my hair for around 45 minutes. I highly advise you use this treatment before your shampoo and your conditioner. After doing this, I just go ahead and shampooed, conditioned my hair, dried my hair with my microfiber towel, and that's just it. My hair felt super soft and moisturized. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. You can also watch my other videos and subscribe to my channel.